Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the essentials. Power the device off and remove any case or covers so you can access the sensor area. Once done, photograph the sensor and surrounding screws for reference. This prevents reassembly errors. Use a microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to remove oils and debris. Press gently, not abrasive. Then, remove visible screws near the sensor with a small Phillips and use a plastic spudger to lift the bezel. Make sure to work slowly to avoid snapping tabs. You now open the device further. Disconnect the battery to prevent shorts, then carefully detach the sensor ribbon from its connector. Once the module is free, inspect the flex cable for bends, kinks, or corrosion. Damaged traces usually mean replacement. Clean the gold contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl, and if needed, use a soft brush on the sensor surface. Patience matters. Reseat the connector firmly. You should feel a slight click. If the ribbon is torn, note that replacement is required. You finish by reassembling the device in reverse order. Align the bezel, snug screws evenly, and reconnect the battery. Boot the device and immediately enroll a new fingerprint, scanning multiple angles and firm presses. This verifies hardware function versus enrollment issues. If enrollment fails, double-check the flex connector seating and try another known good sensor module if available. Finally, make sure the OS is updated and the fingerprint service has permission. If problem persists,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.